Welcome to Bren Consultant Kenya Limited, where we bring your dream construction project to life. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build the most amazing hotels and restaurants on a tiny 100 by 100 plot. In this video, we'll show you how to maximize space and create stunning structures that will leave you speechless. From compact hotels to cozy restaurants, we'll take you through the process of designing and building these tiny marvels. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating incredible hotels and restaurants on just a tiny 100 by 100 plot of land. Imagine being tasked with designing a luxurious hotel and restaurant on a plot of land that's no bigger than a typical backyard. It's a daunting challenge, but one that can also be incredibly rewarding. With a little creativity and some clever design strategies, even the smallest of spaces can be transformed into something truly remarkable. When it comes to working with a small plot, one of the biggest challenges is maximizing space and functionality. You've got to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions that make the most of every single square foot. It's not just about cramming as much as you can into the space, but about creating a cohesive and functional design that flows seamlessly. For example, you've got to consider the flow of traffic and how people will move through the space. You've got to think about the types of amenities you can realistically fit into the space and how you can make them work together to create a cohesive experience. And of course, you've got to think about the aesthetic appeal of the space and how you can use design elements to create a sense of luxury and sophistication. All of these considerations can be overwhelming, but they are also what make designing for small spaces so exciting. It's a puzzle, and the solution requires a deep understanding of the space and the people who will be using it. One of the most effective strategies for maximizing space is to think vertically. Instead of spreading out horizontally, you can build up using multi-level designs and stacked spaces to create a sense of depth and complexity. This can be especially effective in small plots where every square foot counts. Another strategy is to use multi-purpose furniture and design elements. Instead of having separate pieces for each function, you can use items that serve multiple purposes, like a desk that doubles as a bar or a sofa that converts into a bed. This not only saves space, but it also creates a sense of flexibility and adaptability. Landscaping is also crucial when it comes to small plots. By using clever landscaping techniques, you can create a sense of flow and continuity, even in the smallest of spaces. This can include using vertical gardens, hanging planters, and other creative solutions that make the most of the space. So, what does it look like when all of these design strategies come together? Let me show you. I've created a stunning hotel and restaurant on a 100 by 100 plot using all of the strategies we've talked about. From the vertical garden walls to the multipurpose furniture, this space is a masterclass in maximizing functionality and aesthetic appeal. The hotel features a sleek and modern design with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. The rooms are cozy and intimate, with cleverly designed nooks and crannies that make the most of the space. The restaurant is equally impressive, with a chic and sophisticated vibe that's perfect for a night out. But what really sets this space apart is the way it all comes together. From the flowing lines of the architecture to the carefully curated design elements, every single aspect